Hey guys, Dave here from ETS. Got Benny Smith here with me as well.
Morning.
Behind me here is a brand new 14.5 tonne case excavator and Earth Moving Technology Solutions, or ETS. We've installed two types of technology onto this machine. Firstly, it's got 3D GPS installed on it. ETS will make sure that the designs are loaded into the machine for you. We'll give you some operator training on site if we need to. We can remotely log into the machine from our office if you have any issues with downtime or the designs or training. And secondly, the other technology that's installed on this machine is Safety Shield. Safety Shield's AI technology, and it's got mounted here with 4 cameras giving full visibility around this machine. So if you have anybody on site that walks within a certain proximity of the machine, the operator in the cab is going to get an alarms and an indication where that person's walking up to the machine.
Pedestrian detected.
And secondly, it also has a thumbs up option installed on it. So if you need to approach the machine, you give the operator the thumbs up. He or she in turn will press a button in the cab which will demobilise the machine. They cannot move the machine, it cuts the hydraulics, and you can approach the machine, have the discussion, hand over anything you need to the operator, and then get back to being safe on site. And then the third option with the machine is if you enter the proximity of the machine within a certain radius, the machine will stop slewing and moving as a precaution to ensure that you remain safe on site. So Solution Plan Hire is leading the way in safety, it's leading the way in productivity with their machines. They're all low hours, some of them are brand new, so give them a shout if you're in the business and you need to hire short-term, long-term. Doesn't matter where it is, attachments, give Solution Plan Hire a call. They've got quality machines and fully equipped with technology that Earth Moving Technology Solutions will do full backup support and training for you.